Hello guys, I just got some 3D printed shoes from Koobz and I will make a short review. The quality, print quality is amazing. External layers are really soft compared to the sole or the inside of the shoe. I can't wait to run in them. I will show you the results later. They are really comfortable, surprisingly, like taking into account its 3D printed shoe. It feels really well. We are outside and let's make a small stress test. Okay, I made a small stress test outside. They didn't deform, they keep the whole structure all the time. They're incredibly comfortable. I was really surprised. And let's see how they behave in the long term, like after 50 or 100 kilometers. I will keep you updated.